We like to have our friends over, and we're social people, and the problem is when the smoke starts drifting in, when the neighbours are smoking and we have our friends over here, then it becomes a problem, and they can smell the smoke and they don't like it.
Secondhand smoke is the combination of smoke which comes from the end of a cigarette as well as what people exhale when they're smoking. It has 4,000 chemicals in it, 70 of which are toxic. If there was any other substance that was this toxic, it'd be obscene to think that we would let it be in buildings and let it travel from unit to unit.
There is no safe level of exposure to secondhand smoke. We know that when non-smokers breathe in this smoke, they're exposed to harmful chemicals, and in fact, 800 Canadians die each year from exposure to secondhand smoke.
The same effects that health risks that happen from, again, directly using tobacco products. So exposure to secondhand smoke has the same risks of various types of cancers, same risk for negative effects on the health of lungs, cardiovascular system.
I have increased sinus infections, irritation. My husband has more lung infections, and we find it really affects our health.
Secondhand smoke moves between apartments because of the ventilation system. It can get through electric sockets, and also a lot of people receive secondhand smoke because their neighbors smoking on balconies.
Some people think if they open a window or turn on a fan, that's going to eliminate the secondhand smoke that's in their household. But it's not true. There's no solution, there's no mechanical way to solve this problem.
As a tenant, you can protect yourself from exposure to secondhand smoke in a multi-unit dwelling. The easiest way is when you're signing the lease to make sure it's part of the lease agreement and signing that specifically. In Nova Scotia, landlords can convert a building from smoking permitted to no smoking permitted by notifying all their tenants in writing 4 months before each tenant's lease anniversary date. This allows the tenant a month to decide whether they want to move or not. And if they do, then to give the required 3 months notice to the landlord.
Not only do the smoke-free policies help protect people from exposure to tobacco smoke, they also help people to go outside more often. They help people to think about quitting, and they're likely to encourage people that do quit to stay quit.